Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Nightingale. Today we are going to create fridge magnets using colored air dry clay. So, let's get started. For this project we need some clay of different colors, clay tools, if you have, magnet sheet, glue, scissors and some colors. First we are going to create an ice cream. So, for that I am using a wooden fork and marking it to cut from the top, so that I have desired length of it. Now I am taking some pink clay, and will roll it, then we'll mold it on to get the desired shape. We will stick it with the popsicle and further shape it to get a perfect shape. To make the bond strong, we will use some glue on the popsicle. Making different things with air dry clay is very easy and satisfying process. Now I will stick the clay in the popsicle, with each other using glue. And will start molding it with some clay tools. You can always use your hands and fingers if you do not have the clay tools. Slowly we will reach to a perfect shape, by molding it again and again. Now it's the time to make a pineapple. For this we will take some yellow and a little bit of green clay. You can always start by making a round shape of a clay and then mold it to any shape. Now using some clay tools I am making desired patterns in the leaf and in the pineapple. Believe me, it is really very easy process. I am using scissors to make cuts in the lead so that it gives 3D effect of the patterns. Our pineapple and ice cream is ready. Let's make rainbow now. You can take any colors you like. I am using these 4 colors and molding them to make a round long stripe. I am placing each stripe over the top of other and pressing it a bit. The different colored clay will fix with each other. Let's make the clouds now. I will make little rounds of white clay, and will place on the ends of the rainbow, and will press them over the top of each other, to give them a shape of the clouds. Alrighty, we will place our clay on the sheet of paper, so that it does not stick anywhere. We will leave it to dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it's the time to decorate. Now I am using white nail paint on the top of ice cream. We let it dry. Now using different colors, we will highlight the different parts of the pineapple and the rainbow. You can do this finishing as you like. things will make our fridge magnets look super cute and beautiful. I am using gray sketch pen to highlight the clouds. It's important to give our clay time to rest. After it is completely dried, we will make some sprinkles on the ice cream. Let's cut the magnet sheet according to the sizes of the molded clay and stick it to them. Wow, how cute are these little fridge magnets? If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.